Thanks for joining us here at LearnHowToDance.com. I'm here with Ioana Dorbansu from Bucharest, Romania. Is that right?
Yes.
Bucharest? Okay, cool. All right. So we're doing Bachata basic positions. Okay, we're going to show you how to hold your partner and then do your basic step from open and closed position and also from some other holds. Okay, so follow along with us. I want you to grab your partner in what we call the closed position. So you're going to get your right hand, guys, and you're going to kind of hold it beneath on her shoulder blade right here. And ladies, when you feel that, your first connection point is with your elbow. So you see how Ioana comes here and she puts her elbow on his elbow, or my elbow, sorry, and it's not inside, it's more outside, okay? And the last thing she does, the hand. So elbow first and hand, okay? You're not going to focus on doing the hand first, because what happens if you do the hand first, then a lot of times the elbow gets out of place and you don't have that connection. Okay, so let's try it again. Guys, right hand, you go first, you scoop under, grab a shoulder blade, she's going to get her elbow, put it on mine, and then do the hand. All right, so before we show the second hand, I want us to look at our position, okay? We're going to kind of turn a little better so you can see. All right, you notice how Ioana is kind of back and leaning back on my hand. And we're both now going to sit into this position a little more, okay, because bachata is very into the floor. You don't want to dance it high, you actually want to dance it down a little bit. So we're down, and we're also going to lean back on each other just a little bit, ready? Like that, until you feel almost a little bit of a weight on her arms, on your hand, sorry. Okay? From this is your bachata position. So let's try it one more time, okay? So 1, guys, we're going to connect. 2, ladies, you're going to get your elbow onto him. And 3, we're going to sit into it a little bit and then do a little lean back so we can create that connection and tension between each other. All right? So let's do it. Number 1, guys, shoulder blade. 2, ladies, get your elbow first and then the hand. And now let's sit into it a little bit and then lean back. Good. Okay, now let's do the left arm, guys. We get our hand like this. Okay, and we're going to kind of grasp her hand. She holds onto the thumb, and then we're holding in with this left hand. Okay, so I'm going to rotate so you can see my left hand a little better. Okay, so we have the hand here. So this is your closed position grip. So let's go ahead and do a bachata step together from this position, okay? So here we go. Guys, you're starting with your left foot. Ladies starting with their right foot, and we're going to do our basic step left to right. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and tap. 5, 6, one more basic, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 here. All right, so notice when we do the bachata step and we have our nice motion, our motion with our body from the arms right here is more a left to right motion, okay? What we don't want to do, which I see all the time, I call it the teapot, okay? When you do this and you go, I'm a little teapot, okay? We don't want to do that. You don't want to go up and down here. You want to keep it and go more side to side. Boom, tap, here, and not doing this. Boom, tap. Okay? So that was your closed position. Now let's work on our open position. So what we're going to do, we're going to have that, what we call a pistol grip. So guys, get your fingers, and you're going to hold your fingers like this, almost like you're shooting the gun with your middle finger and your ring finger. And we're going to do it with both hands. Okay? So when we have that, and we kind of give our arms, ladies, you get your fingers, and you wrap around very gently from here. Okay? And guys, I like to do this the very first time to make sure the arms are very loose. So ladies have nice, loose arms. So the connection point is really in the fingers and not through the whole hand. Okay? So when he grabs, you don't want to be very tight. Very loose and down. Okay? How's that feel? Good?
Very loose.
Very loose. All right. So let's go over that again. So drop hands. Guys, you got your pistol grip. Okay? We come up to the girl. She's going to grab those 2 fingers in your pistol grip. And ladies, just get the elbows loose and relaxed and drop them all the way down. And this is our bachata position, open position. So let's go ahead and do a basic from here, okay? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. And then notice how our arms are going side to side very lightly, not a big motion, so we're not doing this. Boom, it's very nice and light and keeping the motion. Good. So now with bachata, there's no really rules on how you transfer from open to closed position. So let's just go ahead and get into closed position. So we do it slowly, From here, we changed also the left hand grip, and now we're in closed position. All right, now let's go back into open position now. We slide the hand off, change the other grip too, and now we're in open position. Stop here. All right, so we have closed and we have open. And another one we're going to show you, I like to call it the wrestle grip, okay? Because you have the hands like this, and you're going to get your V in your fingers kind of in between hers with both hands like this, okay? So elbows are down, and from this position, we're doing the same motion. So instead of having your thumbs on top, we're going to have more like this grip. You have a little more control on bringing it low and doing the hip motion from here. Okay? All right, so the three that we've gone over so far are closed position, we did open position, and we do what I call the wrestle grip. Those are the three. All right, so now from your closed position, because bachata is more of a kind of a close sensual dance, from here, what a lot of people like to do from this position, they like to get their elbows, and guys, you kind of put your elbows close to hers. And ladies, when you feel that, I want you to kind of push against him a little bit so he feels the tension. So see, I'm pushing in and Iwan is pushing out. So I feel the tension right here in the elbow. And then we also hold in closed position with the right hand. So this is a little more intimate of a bachata hold. Okay, so from our closed position, we can just get the elbows and lock them in. And then we're also doing a little more closer closed position. Okay? And guys, make sure you know who you're doing that with. You don't want to get too close to someone that you're not comfortable with. All right, so let's go ahead and review those four together. From the very top, we did closed position. Have the right hand, guys, underneath. Ladies, elbows connect. We're going to sit down into it and lean back on each other a little bit. And guys, get your left hand and hold here. All right, let's do two basics together. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Remember, no doing the teapot. Basic. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. Stop here. All right, now let's do our open position. We're going to have the two fingers here, guys, in our pistol grip. She's grabbing onto her fingers. Ladies, relax the elbows. You don't want to bring them tight. And everything's nice and loose and down. Now let's do our two basics from here. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. One more basic, and stop right here, tap. All right, now we're going to do the wrestle grip. Have the hands open. She grabs her hands here. Good, these are also nice and down and relaxed. So you can have a little more of a tension here, ladies, pushing against them, because it's more of an aggressive hold. Now let's do our basics. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, and stop here. All right, and the last thing we went over is a variation for a closed position. We have the same hold. Sit back into it the same. To get a little closer, guys, we get our left elbow. We can connect with her elbow. Ladies push against us a little bit. And from here, we do our closed position. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Stop. All right. So those are your basic bachata positions. We also have some that we can get a little closer, but for those, we're going to keep with those for now, right now. All right. So thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it, and we will see you next time.